How are you? This is my YouTube channel. My name is Nathan. Today we're going to talk about something very important. As we all know, the coronavirus pandemic has made us stay at home, and we are not as healthy or as fit as we should be. So what we're going to talk about today is how we can do our home workouts from home without worrying about our equipment. So today I'm going to show you how we can make homemade dumbbells almost for free and not worrying about anything, and we can do all kinds of workouts including our chest workouts and arms workouts. I hope you guys stay tuned. Right now it's very confusing, like you guys can't work out, you guys can't buy new dumbbells because they're all sold out. So this is why this video is very helpful. You can use materials around you to make these homemade dumbbells. So I hope you stay tuned and watch this step by step. So guys, what you need to make the homemade dumbbells or weights are: first you need sands. As you can see, I've weighed the sands and put them. Then you need the stones, which you can see here, which I've weighed, which is enough for the weights that I'm going to do right now. Then next you need cement. So you use the combination of these three: cement, stone, and of course the sand. So these three combined will help us to make our homemade dumbbells. Guys, the next thing you'll need is a metal pipe. So you can use different kind of pipes like the 3/3 or any kind of similar pipes just like this one, which you can find anywhere, stored around at your house or neighbor or anywhere, any stores. And another thing is you can use these paint remaining boxes. So you can use these boxes as the shape. So guys, this is what it looks like after we mix it up and after we make sure that the cement, the sands, and the stones are all mixed up. We put them in the paint box. So after we do that, we put the metal in the middle, as you can see right here, and we let it rinse for like 12 hours. So today, usually I would advise this to happen when it's around sunlight, when there's sunlight. But if you did it like me, because I was late at work and I came right now, it's okay. You can just let it rinse like this, and you could do it next thing tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow morning if it's dry. So what you guys should know, as I stated earlier, we are making two 12 kg weights and two 16 kg weights, right? So these all that you can see right here are half of those weights. So the first one you see right here is 6 kg, because half of 12 is 6 kg. So you have to make sure that you measure this, right? Same goes for this one. This is meant to be 16 kg, so I made half of this. So this half is 8 kg. So the remaining half will be done tomorrow when the first half is dried up. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. So guys, the final step obviously is you have to keep yourself tidy. After you finish up, make sure you clean up. So guys, as you can see, it's all dried up right now. It's been like more than 12 hours and it's all dried up. So what I did right now is pour water in all of them to make sure that it doesn't break up and break down. So you can see that there's water in all of it. There's water in here, and there's water in here, and also in these two as well. So guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I put the dry one. So this one was the dry one, the upper one. So this one is the one I mixed up right now. So I put the dry one, the one that I made yesterday, above the one I just made today. So I'm making sure it's leaned on a wall so that it doesn't fall. I've tried to make sure that it's in the middle, as you can see. so that it doesn't become uneven. Same goes for this one. This is the new, the below one is the newly mixed up cement and stones, whereas this one is the one I made yesterday. So I made it above the new one. So guys, so you have to make sure that it doesn't become long. So if you have to cut up the metals, make sure you cut it up like this. So this is what it looks like. Hope you like the description and everything I showed you. So I hope you all go through the steps and you become happy about them. So this is my channel. My name is Nathan again. Please like, subscribe, and share as I release these kinds of content almost on a weekly basis. It's all based on businesses, workouts, things we could do during the corona pandemic. So I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.